What's up, players? What's up, Send Dude Nation? This is Dan Whitmer. Today I'm gonna show you how to get six-pack abs. I'm not flexing. I'm not flexing.
What's up, players? What's going on, guys? Dan Whitmer from Zen Dude Fitness. My brother, Brandon, he's still in Los Angeles. I'm cool. Not even sad. Not crying. I'm not. But Brandon's still in Los Angeles, and I came here to Austin, Texas. The point that we're trying to make here, guys, is that you can be anywhere in this world and you can still get an amazing, efficient, fat-burning workout in to get a six-pack, to just get lean in general, and to just feel better. We've been getting a lot of requests in the YouTube community. Thank you first and foremost for continuing to provide Brandon and I feedback. And a lot of you guys are asking us, how can I get a six-pack abs jumping rope? There's a big misconception around how you actually get abdominals and how to keep them. It's mainly food and creating a caloric deficit, guys, okay? It's not about doing thousands upon thousands of sit-ups until your back breaks. Well, Dan, if we're not doing any ab exercises, how am I gonna get a six-pack with the jump rope? Now, the answer is pretty simple. If you maximize your caloric burn, you are going to be able to shed body fat, and shedding body fat is how you get a six-pack, not from doing, thousands and thousands of crunches. So, for today's workout, guys, what we're gonna be doing is going at a super high intensity with the jump rope and then doing a lot of lower body weight exercises, because those, when combined, are what is gonna give you the max calorie burn on these workouts. If you would like our favorite recommended jump rope that we use, click the link below, check it out. It's cross rope. They're the best, most durable ropes that we have found to date, so give it a try. All right, dudes and dudettes, so let's, get intense, let's have some fun, and then get on with your day. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get after it today, guys. We got a little bit of a longer circuit, so we're gonna try and burn the most amount of calories possible so that you can get a six-pack or see those abdominals. Now, to start things off, guys, we're going jump rope, regular bounce, but I'm alternating between periods of very intense fast and then slow. So right now I'm going slow, check me out, I'm chilling, and then I speed up and go as fast as I possibly can. I want you guys to swing the rope as fast as you possibly can. Chill, and then speed it up. Good, guys. Up next, we have high knees. Now get them up there, guys. Make sure your legs should be at 90-degree angle bends. So check out, I got a smile on my face. I don't care if it's hot. I'm just getting after it, Just grateful to be outside, having fun, burning some calories, yo. So do the same thing, ladies and gentlemen. All right, guys, next up, jump rope sprinting. So this is a whole minute of jump rope sprint. If you can't do sprint, just go ahead and do regular bounce as fast as you can go. But as you'll see here, during this whole minute, I am almost completely dead at the end of this. That's how you want to feel, guys. We're only doing this circuit 3 times, okay? We're not doing it 5, just 3 times. A little bit less than a 30-minute workout, so make it count. Good, guys. Up next, jump squat. So all I'm doing is getting down into the squat position. I'm maintaining my form and then just jumping up in the air slightly. I'm not going so crazy that I lose my form. I'm squatting down. My legs are bending more than 90-degree angles. My back is staying straight and I'm exploding up when I go up. That's what you guys want to be doing. Turn to the side here. You can see. Keep that form intact, y'all. All right, ladies and gentlemen, up next, fast skip. This is the multi-step skip. So I'm kicking my foot out and I'm getting 2 hops on the opposite foot while that happens. So it's kick out and then back, and the opposite foot is staying there and just tapping twice as this happens. So if you check it out, I go kick out, kick back, kick out, kick back. It's a little cycle kind of thing. Good, guys. Come on, Zen Dude Nation. We got, you got stress, you got stuff going on in your head, at home, at work. Just go skip it out. Get all that stress, get rid of all that shit. Just go grab your jump rope and just get after it. You know what I'm saying? Next, ladies and gentlemen, jumping lunges with a middle tap. So this is a little bit different than jumping lunges because when I come up, on the way up, I'm just tapping my feet in the middle before I go back down. Not super complicated, but it might take a little bit of time to get this move down. So if you just want to do jumping lunges, that's also fine. Just know that your butt is going to hurt severely after this, because mine certainly did. Alright, guys, last jump rope exercise, we got jump rope mummy kicks, guys. So I'm up on my toes here and I'm just slightly kicking them out. Feel free to do what I'm doing, where I'm just like resting and I'm kind of going single leg mummy kicks, where I just right there where I stay up on one for a little bit. And guys, don't get discouraged if you can't go as fast as I can or Brandon or other people that you see. That's not what this is about. This is about going at your maximum intensity and working your way up to eventually go faster and faster. All right, ladies and gentlemen, last one. We're finishing with high knees. Come on again. Let's get them up. Let's get them up. Make sure you leave it all out there so you don't have to come back and think about working out later. It gets so intense that you sit down and you're like, thank God, I can sit on my ass the rest of the day. This is great. Good, guys. And make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you want more workouts. Catch you later, Zen Dude Nation.
Hey, Zen Dude Nation, just to let you guys know, this is how you should feel when you're done. Oh my God. I'm gonna get some water and a taco.